In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Squarespace settings to enhance your website security using SSL options. Understanding SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, is crucial for ensuring the data exchanged between your website and its visitors is secure, making it an essential part of building trust with your audience. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser and type Squarespace in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials, as this will give you access to your website's dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the Squarespace dashboard, look for the Settings option. Generally, you'll find this option in the main navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. This panel is where you can manage different facets of your website. Once you click on Settings, a drop-down menu will appear with several more options, allowing you to tailor various aspects of your site. Among these, you need to find and click on the Developer Tools tab. This is a key area where you manage more technical aspects of your website. It's designed for both experienced developers and everyday users who want to optimize their site's performance and security. By accessing Developer Tools, you're taking a proactive step in safeguarding your website. After opening Developer Tools, your next focus should be on SSL settings. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, is fundamental in encrypting the information shared over your sites, such as customer details and transactions. Within Squarespace, you'll see three primary SSL security options: Secure with HSTS, Secure without HSTS, and Insecure. It's worth noting that each of these options provides different levels of security. The Secure with HSTS option is often recommended for most users. HSTS stands for HTTP Strict Transport Security, which adds another layer of protection by ensuring web browsers only interact with your site using secure connections. Opting for Secure without HSTS still encrypts communications, but might be ideal if you anticipate some visitor compatibility issues with HSTS. Lastly, the Insecure option, as you might guess, is not recommended if your site handles sensitive data, since it does not encrypt the information exchanged. After selecting the SSL option that best suits your needs, don't forget to save your changes. Squarespace does a great job of ensuring these changes are applied almost instantly, minimizing any downtime for your site. And that's it. You're done. You've effectively chosen an SSL security option, which is a vital step in creating a safer online environment for your site's visitors.